This Malala Yousafzai. Her job is activity for civil rights. She has got a Nobel Prize. She is very young, 17 years old. She is fighter. At the age of 15, she suffered a terrorist attack for her ideals. She liked to go to school with her father and her brother. In 2008, the Taliban prohibited girls to go to school. She fighted for women equality.
She is Anne Gabriele. She is a singer. She is from Brazil. Anne Gabriele has got dark long hair. She is very tall and fit. She's got one sister. She's friendly and energetic. She's young. She's 18 years old. Anne Gabriele has got brown eyes.
Her name is Agnes Gonsha, or Mother Teresa of Calcutta. She's a Catholic woman from India. For 45 years, she attended Pur and Sikh. She has brown eyes and black hair. Her parents are Nicole and Dranafile. She has got a Peace Nobel Prize. She died on the 5th of September 1997.
She is Anita. She is a singer. She is from Brazil. Anita has got brown eyes and she's got black, long, straight hair. She's short, 1'3". She is young. She is 36. Her or and his mother is Miriam Macedo and his father is Mauro Macedo. Has got one brother, Renan Machado, or are Brasilia.
She is Rosa Parks. She was an activist for civil human rights. She was from the USA. Rosa Parks has got black eyes and has got long black hair. She is tall and thin. Rosa Parks is the daughter of a computer and a teacher. She was married to the Raymond Park. She is very good for black people human rights. She defends black people
Her
equality.
name is Jennifer Lopez. She is 51 years old. She was born in New York. She's a singer. Her skin is tan. Her long hair is brown. She has got brown eyes. She is very elegant and pretty. She knows how to dance a lot. She is my favorite singer. Her name is Jennifer Lopez.
She is Juana I of Castilla. She was the Queen of Castilla in 1504. She was rebel and imperious. She was a predilect daughter. She was beautiful and she has got big eyes. She was looked by her father and after by her husband. She is Juana the Crazy.
She is Paula Fernandes. She is a singer. She is young. She is 66 years old. She is from Brazil. She is tall and thin. Paula Fernandes has got blue eyes and she's got that long hair. She is energetic, happy and friendly.
She is Penelope Cruz. She is 46 years old. She is mother of two children, Leo and Luna. Job international actress. She is best Spanish actress. She was born in 1974. She is who has maximum triunfo of the cinema, the Golden Oscar.